Hello, Jai Sri Ram. So right now I just came to visit. Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome back to my channel. So I am Naveen, and this time I came to visit the Sri Kala Sri Kala Ram temple in Nasik, which is so popular temple in Nasik in all over India because Lord Ram used to stayed here along with Sita and Lakshman at this place that is known as the Panchvati. It is a part of the Panchvati where Ram stayed during his exile. So let's see. I am going to explore the Kala Ram Mandi temple. So let's explore together with me and bolo Jai Sri Ram. Thank you so much. And this is known as the Panchvati, and this is the place where Ravana also kidnapped Sita from there in the forest of Panchvati only. And Godavari is also originated from there. And like Suknetna also came and cut the nose of Suknekha by Lakshman at this place in Panchvati only. So let's see, there is a very big history regarding the Kalaram temple. So let's thank you so much and below Jai Sri Ram. So let's explore together with me. So this is the temple of Kalaram temple. So let's see from the outside. And there is so many things written about the notification of this temple.
जय श्री राम शूटिंग आहे का आम्ही पण आलो पाहिजे बरं का
Blogger.
हनुमंत
So let's see the Kalaram Mandir temple, and I will explain in brief a story regarding this temple. And this is the area nearby the Kalaram Mandir temple. So let's see. It is a very amazing and unique place and so popular place. So let's explore. I am going inside the temple. Thank you so much.
So bolo again Jai Shri Ram. So I am going inside the temple. So let's see and take the place of Lord Ram here, because this is a so popular place where Lord Ram used to stay along with Sita and Lakshman in Panchvati. So this is located in Panchvati as a Kalaram Mandir. So many more persons who is also coming, and even this temple is in black color along with the Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman statue also in black. And even this place is also popular because of Ravana also came and kidnapped Sita from this Panchvati only, which is located nearby bank of Godavari river in Nasik. So bolo Jai Shri Ram, and I am going inside the temple. This time I am going to explain about the Sri Kalaram Mandir temple. So Kalaram Mandir temple is a temple in Nasik in Maharashtra dedicated to Sri Ram, and it is situated in Panchvati area in Nasik, and the temple derives its name from a black statue of Ram. The sanctorium of the houses the statue the goddess Sita and Lakshman also black, which governing body by Sri Kalaram Mandir Sansthan Nasik. So the original temple was very old, dated back to 7th century to 11th century Rashtravastu period. So it was claimed that Rama idol was 200 years old. During the period of Turkish invasions, the idol of deity was thrown in Godavari river by temple Brahmins to save it, and the new temple was funded by one Sardar Ranga Rao Odekar and was rebuilt in 1788. One time it claimed. So even Odekar had a dream that the statue of Rama in black color was in the Godavari river, and he carried out expedition of reviving the idol and miraculously got it. And Odekar took the statue and built the temple, and there is also a statue of Sardar Odekar in the temple. According to ancient epic of Ramayana, Rama was sent in exile for 14 years. After the 10th years of exile, Rama along with Lakshman and Sita lived for 2.5 years on the northern bank of
So
Godavari
let's
near
feel the vibes
Nasik,
of
which
this
is
temple
known as
and again
Panchvati.
say Jai Sri Ram, Jai Bajrangbali. So we can see how is the temple. This temple is fully in black. So even the temple came middle of the conflict caused by Satyagraha led by B.R. Ambedkar. Now it is known as the Kala Ram Mandir Satyagraha. B.R. Ambedkar organized a large protest outside the temple on 2nd March 1930 to enter into the temple during Ram Navami festival, and many Dalit protesters arrived to the town in by trucks, and they surrounded the temple and sat around it. So even let's see how is this temple. I just came inside the temple and I got a divine bliss of Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman in this temple, which is looking very good. So even my story was remaining. So let's see how is this temple, and this is the statue of Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman. So let's see and bolo Jai Sri Ram. So let's see the statue of Jai Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman. So even I am talking about Dalit. So along with the Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dalit, they sang song often raised war cries demand to enter into the temple, and the people of Nasik boycotted the protester. On the day of Ram Navami on 9 April 1930, many Dalit protesters tried to stop the temple Rath Yatra, and fights and stone began in between Hindus and Dalit protesters. And later Ambedkar reached at riot's spot, and he and other all protesters suffered from minor injuries. And somehow a protesters named Bhaskar Kandri broke the police cordon who were protesting the temple and enters in it and fell on the floor. And this satyagraha ran till 1935, and this is the place where Sita abducted by Ravana in the forest, Dandaka forest, that is located in Panchvati, and nowadays it is called Sita Gufa Panchvati. So take the bliss of Lord Ram. This is also the idol of Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman. So bolo Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sita, Jai Sita Ram, bolo Siya Ram. So even this is the whole story of Panchvati, and this is the idol of Ram, Sita, Lakshman, and even this is the idol of also Supnaka, the nose of Supnaka cut by Lakshman. So this is also happen here in Panchvati only. So this is the sculpture of all the things regarding Ramayana, regarding Ram, Lakshman, Sita and Supnaka and Ravana, how Ravana kidnapped Sita. And this is the idol of our Bajrangbali Hanuman Maruti. So let's bolo Bajrangbali ki Jai, Jai Mahabir. And this is the queen. I am going inside the Sita Gufa, because there is also a Sita Gufa where many people are going inside the Gufa. It is so difficult to go inside the Gufa because it is. So this is the idol of Ravana who came in the form of beggar in front of Sita in Sita Kochati in Panchvati when Sita was kidnapped by Ravana. So this is the images. So let's see boro Sita Mate ki Jai, how it is. And this is all about that time, how Lord Ram saved the eagle's bird. That is also visible here, we can see. So I also got a chance, divine place. This is a very divine place where I got a chance to come and visit this place. So thank you Lord Sri Ram, and this is Gosala. So thank you so much.